In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your WordPress website in just 5 steps. We're going to use the site editor to simplify a template, remove a heavy section, convert it to a lighter text block, and then save and launch the changes. This approach trims unnecessary elements so the page renders faster without needing any plugins. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and heading to the site editor. From there, navigate to the home template inside your sample portfolio. If you're using a block theme, this area lets you edit the actual template structure, which is where we can make the biggest impact on performance with minimal effort. Once the editor loads, select the highlighted section on the page. This is likely a large or complex block that isn't essential. With it selected, click Delete. Removing a bulky hero, an extra banner, or an unused group can instantly reduce the amount of HTML the browser has to draw, improve cumulative layout shift, and often shrink what needs to load above the fold. Next, click the highlighted control to bring up block options, and choose Paragraph. Swapping a complex pattern or multi-layered block for a simple paragraph block is a quick win. Paragraphs are lightweight, render quickly, and keep your design consistent without hidden elements or nested containers. Use the highlighted toolbar controls to fine-tune the new text block. Keep styling minimal, simple alignment, a readable font size, and standard spacing. The goal is clarity over decoration, which helps the page load faster and reduces reflow. When your adjustments look right, click Apply to confirm the changes. Review the highlighted areas one more time to ensure the layout is clean and consistent. Avoid adding extra wrappers or effects. Fewer layers means fewer calculations during render. Now it's time to save. Click Save when prompted. WordPress may ask you to confirm updates for the template, the page content, and global styles. Continue clicking Save until all confirmations are complete. This ensures every related change is stored and will actually reflect on the front end. Finally, click Launch to push your optimized template live. After launching, give your site a quick refresh in a private window to see the changes as visitors would. If your host uses caching, updates may take a moment to propagate. Keep an eye on the first section of your page. That's where simplification usually delivers the most noticeable speed gains. That's it. Clean structure, lighter blocks, and a faster WordPress page with just a few smart edits.